Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about a video I just watched from Everything Money. Now Everything Money is another channel here on YouTube and they mainly talk about investing in the stock market and into property. Now they also talk about the importance of having a long-term mindset when making any investment decision. Now, I've always said that I look to hold investments for a minimum 10 years. So before I invest in anything, I always look forward to the future to visualize whether that company, whether that particular investment vehicle will still be around. So for example, before I invested into Apple stock, I looked forward 10 years and I visualized whether I still see Apple being a company and being around in 10 years. Now, the answer for me was yes. It will probably be iPhone 2,083 by then, but I do still see them releasing iPhones and releasing Apple products. So that is the reason I started investing into Apple. Now, the same thing goes with precious metals. I can see precious metals being around for many, many years. I can't see it going anywhere. So that is why I got involved with it. Now, they used a very good analogy in their video that I watched today, and they were basically saying that the reason people do so well when they come to sell their house, and they quite often make quite good profit, is because when you buy your house to live in and you get a mortgage and you move in with your family, if the housing market was to crash by say 20% the following week, you wouldn't rush out and sell your house. So therefore you ride the ups and downs, and over a long period of time, when you come to sell, you normally make a nice bit of profit. Now, they said that you need to apply that same analogy to every investment you make. So whenever you go to invest in something, look at it like you're buying a house. So if the markets crash, say you buy a stock and the markets crash, don't rush out and panic sell. Look at it like you bought a house and therefore you're going to be holding it for a long period of time. Now, you need to try and adjust your mindset. And like I've said before, I'm not a financial advisor, so do always make your own investment decisions. This is just what works well for me and what I picked up along the way. So whenever a stock for me goes down and it's in the red, I don't look at it as a negative thing. I look at it as a positive thing. I look at it as I can buy the same stock for a lot less money. So essentially I'm getting the same investment for a discount. And I think that's where you need to kind of reprogram your mind when it comes to investing. You need to look at investments as more long term, and you need to look at bear markets as an opportunity instead of a negative. Now, I've said this before in the past, I think it's a lot easier to continue to buy precious metals when the spot price is going down, because you haven't got a constant reminder of how much you're in the red. When you log into your stock app or your crypto app, it tells you very, very clearly on the screen how much your particular stock is down. It shows up in red. It says you're down £200 or £300 or £1,000 or whatever it may be. And it's very, very difficult to get your mindset in a positive state and think to yourself, actually, I still like this company. It's still got good fundamentals. I can see it being around for a minimum 10 years or whatever your criteria is when you first brought it. I'm actually going to look at this as an opportunity. And I'm going to add more money and get more stock for a lower price. However, with precious metals, I think it's a lot easier to do because you haven't got a constant reminder of how much you're down. If you buy some precious metals and next week the spot price drops, you haven't got a big red arrow on the screen telling you that this is down £4 and this is down £5, this is down 50p. This is down another £5 or £10, whatever it may be. You haven't got a constant reminder of how much you're down or how much you're up. So it becomes a lot easier to be able to continue to invest through the dips in precious metals. Now, I think that's the same with property. When you're buying properties, like I said, if you've got a property that you rent out, if there's a property crash and the price goes down, you're not going to panic sell a house because it's a lot more harder to do and you haven't got a constant reminder telling you exactly how much you're down. You've still got a tenant renting that property. You've still got a tenant paying your mortgage. So therefore, it's a lot easier to hold on to that investment. So just a short video really there to get your head into a more long-term mindset when making any investment decisions. Instead of looking at it as something that you're going to buy to get rich quick, look at it as if you're going to get rich slow, because lots of people these days want to get rich quick, but no one wants to get rich slow. And I think it's very important. The realities of investing is you are going to get rich and wealthy if you're consistent and if you dollar cost average and if you're looking to hold for a long period of time. So let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. As always, I appreciate all the support and I hope you have a nice day.